I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Do this now so setup flows smoothly. Plug in the Nest Mini and power on the TV, then open Google Home on your phone, sign into the same Google account. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This lets them discover each other. Also enable Bluetooth briefly for faster detection. Once done, confirm the TV is on the correct input or supports Chromecast built-in. So the next pairing steps will now you'll add the Nest Mini and link the TV. Follow the Google Home prompts. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then New Device. The app scans for the Nest Mini and compatible Chromecast TV. When you see the setup code, confirm it on both screens so you know you're pairing the right devices. Assign the device to a room. This helps you say things like, "Hey Google, play in living room." If TV needs cast enabled, open its input settings and turn on casting before continuing. Finish by testing voice commands. Say, "Hey Google, play Netflix on TV name," to confirm audio control and casting. If it fails, restart the router, the Nest Mini, and the TV. This clears common network conflicts. Make sure the Google Home app shows the TV and Nest Mini is online, and check for firmware updates in device settings, because outdated software often blocks features. If problems persist, verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, and reset the Nest Mini as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.